Apple unveiled the highly anticipated iPhone 15 series in September, removing the notch from all models and introducing new features, raising high hopes for these phones, especially in the crucial Chinese market where 5 grams is essential. However, the final word on iPhone 15 sales comes from Huawei. Huawei has made a bold comeback with the launch of its Mate 60 series. Despite facing challenges due to the U.S. embargo on certain technologies, the company has managed to source most of the components for its new flagship phone from Chinese suppliers. This strategic move appears to be paying off, as Huawei is now emerging as a major competitor to Apple, with sales of the iPhone 15 in China falling short of expectations. After a period of relative silence in both the global and Chinese smartphone markets, Huawei made a bold move by releasing the Mate 60, Mate 60 Pro and Mate 60 RS Porsche Design in the same month as the iPhone 15. This strategic decision paid off, as the new models immediately captured the attention of consumers, who had been eagerly anticipating Huawei's latest flagship devicesIn in October. Huawei sales experienced a remarkable surge of 83%, while iPhone 15 sales saw a comparatively modest increase of 11%. This contrasting performance raises questions about Huawei's potential resurgence and its ability to replicate this success on a global scale. Interestingly, iPhone sales typically decline leading up to September and reach their peak in October.